I'm going to show you how you can make money 100% risk-free in crypto, and we are starting right now. So basically, when you put money in the bank, you will get an APY. It's usually around 7% or 6%. In some cases, they can go up to 10% of your money, of course. So the difference here is that in crypto, you can get an APY up to 1000% on some coins. I know you think that this is a scam, but trust me, this is not. In most of cases, then I'm going to show you. So let's jump directly and let me show you how you can do it yourself. So for example, here on Binance, we can see different coins. For example, PSW, which is BSwap, and the One Harmony. For example, BSwap, they are given an estimated APY of 143% in 90 days. So basically what you are going to do, you are going to lock all your coins, and as you can see here, there is two types of staking. There is the locked staking and DeFi staking. I'm going to explain later the difference between these two types of stakings. For example, here, as you can see, if you stake all your coins for 90 days, you will get a 143 APY. And if you stake it for 60 days, you will get 76 APY. You will never get this type of APY in banks, of course. So this is a big plus for crypto staking. There is another big thing you need to know about staking crypto, which is here we stake things, we stake coins that gets up in value with time. So when you buy a coin and you stake it, or a token and you stake it, and you will get your rewards after the staking period and locked period, you will get a coin that will go up in time. For example, I love personally stake, for example, Axie Infinity, for example. It's rewarded with 120 APY for 90 days, and if we go to 60 days, it's 89 and 75 for 30 days. And if we go to CoinMarketCap, and you can see that the current value of Axie Infinity is $63. Back when I bought it and I staked it, it was worth only $40, I think. Let me double check, please. Yes, around $40. It's $45. So basically, I staked all my coins. They gave me monthly 4 other Axie Infinity, and the 4 Axie Infinity right now, it's worth more than what it would worth if I sold it back when I got it. So this is a big plus for the crypto coins and token staking. There's also different platform that you can stake within. I'm going to personally suggest to you some of the best platforms that I personally use, and they reward a big staking APY. One of them is Olympus, which is, for example, this coin. They will reward you 900 APY, which is a big thing that you will never ever dream about it if you are putting your money in the bank. I know you think that this might be a scam. Yes, that's right. Some of the coins are scam, and some of them are Ponzi scheme as well. So before you judge the coin and before you invest in a coin, you need definitely to go and check the token economics behind it, the ecosystem of the token, of course, and see if it's really interesting and if it's really scam, and check and try to learn about it. And check, of course, their white paper as well, to see what they are planning to do and the things they are coming. For example, this Olympus, they will reward you at 900%. And if we go, I'm going to leave this tool link in the description. If we go, for example, this coin, for example, is worth $20, and we have, for example, 50 coin of this coin, and the APY, as we mentioned, it's 900%, and the staking period, for example, it's 30%. And if we click on calculate, we can see here that they are going to give us or reward us with a 53 or 54 new coin at the end of the 30 days, which is a big thing. And if you go and try to calculate it, it's going to give you a free $300, which is a big thing. And if think about it, as you are going to stake many other coins, not just a coin. I'm going to reveal the best coins that I personally invest in, are making me a lot of money passively every month. So the coins are Axie Infinity, which they reward the big APY, as you can see. There is Matic Polygon as well. They don't have a big reward, but if I put my money in the bank, I'm not going to get this reward, of course. Especially that this project is, I personally see a big future for this project. So Matic as well, we can cake here as well. It's a good project as well with 70 APY, which is a big thing. And if you want me to suggest to you more coins that you can definitely make money out of it with staking it, and of course trusted coins and big projects, just leave to me down below a comment and I'm going to make a video for it. There is also other platforms such as PancakeSwap, which is a platform that is trusted, and you can see here different APY. For example, 63 if you stake this coin, and many other things. And there is many other ways that you can make money with crypto passively, such as yield farming and such as scalping as well. And if you want me to talk to make a video and tell you how you can do all these things 100% risk free, just drop to me a comment below and I'm going to make a video about it. So that's it for today's video, and if you want to stay updated with all the crypto news and everything that you can make profits out of it, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, drop a comment, and don't forget to check my Twitter. I always post news that I don't have time to make video to post it here on YouTube. So see you on the next video.